In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Shopify app on your laptop, specifically in the year 2025. If you're a business owner using Shopify, having quick and easy access to your store on your laptop is undeniably helpful. So, let's walk through these steps together. First off, we're going to utilize a progressive web app, which is a fantastic option for accessing Shopify on your laptop. Progressive web apps combine the best of web and mobile applications, giving you a seamless experience on both platforms. Now, let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Shopify admin page. If you're unfamiliar, the Shopify admin page is the control center for your online store where you manage orders, products, and other crucial aspects of your business. Ensure you're logged in with your credentials to access this page. Once you're on the Shopify admin page, the next step is to navigate to the web page settings. This may seem a bit technical, but it's necessary for what we're about to do. These settings typically allow you to customize various elements of your online store, ensuring that everything is tailored to your specific needs. With the web page settings open, look for the Cast, Save, and Share tab. This might be labeled differently depending on any updates Shopify might have made, but generally it should be something along those lines. Clicking on this tab will open up a few more options for you. One of those options is crucial for our purpose today. You want to select the option that allows you to install this page as an app. This is where the magic of progressive web apps comes in. It lets you transform your browser page into an app-like interface. This is incredibly convenient for accessing your store as it provides a faster and more efficient user experience. After selecting the install option, you'll be prompted to click Install. Go ahead and do that. This action will save an icon of your Shopify store onto your laptop's desktop or application list, depending on your device's operating system. Clicking this icon will directly open your store admin in a standalone window, just like a native app would. And that's it. You've successfully installed Shopify onto your laptop using the progressive web app method. With these simple steps, you now have a more streamlined way of managing your Shopify store without needing to launch a web browser every time. Remember, this setup can boost your productivity by keeping your store just a click away. If you have any questions or run into any challenges along the way, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy selling.